Welcome back to our channel where we explore the cutting edge of technology and artificial intelligence. Today, we've got some mind-blowing developments to share. Google DeepMind just made a robot that can play ping pong against humans and win. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics Atlas robot is showing off its strength, doing push-ups and burpees like it's training for a marathon. And if that wasn't enough, scientists are building a global network of supercomputers to accelerate the development of artificial general intelligence. We're covering all these topics, so stick around. But first, let's dive into the story of the AI robot taking on table tennis. Alright, so here's the scoop. Google DeepMind, the AI powerhouse known for groundbreaking tech, has trained a robot to play ping pong against humans. And get this, it's not just casually hitting the ball back and forth. No, this robotic arm is playing full-on competitive table tennis and is good enough to beat some human players. That's right, it played 29 games against people with varying skill levels and won 13 of them. For a robot, that's pretty wild. Let's break down how this happened. DeepMind's team used a two-step approach. First, they trained the robot in a computer simulation where it learned the basic moves. Things like returning serves, hitting forehand topspins, and nailing backhand shots. Then they fine-tuned the robot with real-world data, allowing it to improve every time it played. This robot tracks the ball using a pair of cameras that capture everything in real time. It also follows the human player's movements using a motion capture system. LEDs on the player's paddle help keep track of their swings. All this data gets fed back into the simulation for more training, creating a feedback loop where the robot is constantly refining its game. But it's not all smooth sailing for a robotic ping pong player. It still struggles with a few things. For instance, if you hit the ball really fast, send it high up or hit it super low, the robot might miss. It also has trouble dealing with spin, a technique more advanced players use to throw off their opponents. The robot can't measure spin directly yet, so that's a weak spot. Interestingly, the robot can't serve the ball, so they had to tweak the rules for these matches. But hey, it's a start, right? The researchers at DeepMind were blown away by how well the robot performed, especially since they weren't sure it would win any matches at all. The fact that it did, and even outmaneuvered some pretty decent players, shows just how far this technology has come. This isn't just a gimmick. The ultimate goal here is to create robots that can perform useful tasks in real environments like homes or warehouses and do them safely and skillfully. This table tennis robot is just one example of how robots could eventually learn to work around us and with us. Now let's shift gears to Boston Dynamics Atlas robot, the humanoid machine that just took its workout routine to the next level. Recently, a video surfaced showing Atlas doing push-ups and burpees. Yes, you heard that right, burpees. And it's not just about the exercises themselves, but how fluid and human-like its movements are. The real question, though, does it get stronger after each set? Let's hope not, because it looks like it could do push-ups forever. While the details are still under wraps, this is a fascinating glimpse into the future of robotics. Atlas has been showing off its agility for a while now, but seeing it perform exercises typically reserved for humans raises some intriguing questions. Could robots like Atlas eventually take on roles that require not just strength, but endurance and adaptability? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear. Boston Dynamics is pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Finally, let's talk about something that could change the world as we know it, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Scientists are currently working on building a global network of supercomputers designed to accelerate AGI development. We're not just talking about AI that excels at one task, like playing ping pong or generating text. We're talking about AI that can learn, adapt, and improve its decision-making across a wide range of activities, much like humans. The plan is to bring a brand new supercomputer online in September with the full network operational by 2025. This isn't just one supercomputer doing all the work, it's a multi-level cognitive computing network, a giant brain made up of smaller brains, all working together to solve complex problems. These supercomputers will be packed with cutting-edge AI hardware, including NVIDIA L40 GPUs, AMD Instinct processors, and other advanced components. SingularityNet, the company behind this project, aims to transition from current AI models, which rely heavily on big data, to something much more sophisticated, AI that can think more like humans. The goal is to create AI that can make decisions based on multi-step reasoning and dynamic world modeling. Ben Goertzel, CEO of SingularityNet, believes this new supercomputer will be a game-changer for AGI, potentially reducing the need for massive amounts of data and energy. And here's where it gets really exciting, or terrifying, depending on how you look at it. Some leaders in AI, like DeepMind's co-founder, predict we could see human-level AI by 2028. Ben Goertzel thinks it could happen as soon as 2027. Even Mark Zuckerberg is in the race, investing billions into this pursuit. We're getting closer to creating machines that could potentially surpass our intelligence. Whether that's a good or bad thing, we'll soon find out. The next few years in AI are going to be absolutely insane. So what do you think? Are you excited or a bit worried about these advancements in robotics and AI? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video interesting or helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.